Hello. Assalamu alaikum. This is Bukaram. We are back with another live of today. Today is 22nd of June, and we're gonna jump in our uh, top-down analysis. We'll see what market is doing. We started from uh, daily. Daily is a bit of bearish. We bullish. We came down, and now we're going up again. I don't know why. Maybe it's a trap, but it didn't took the low, it took the high of the previous day. It's the first, let's see what the week is doing. The week is creating its upper week now, yeah. Uh, we can see the week is going very bearish for many weeks now. Now this week is creating a upper week of this week. So that's why we're going bullish. That's normal. Yeah, I hope you can see what we are doing. Yeah, we're on daily. We have this support over here. We'll jump to the 4 hours, and this is what 4 hour is doing. 4 hour is kind of bullish as well. We have the same support, and this is where the resistance is. And 1 hour is something like this, and the support goes here. Yeah, and it is going down. It is 30 minute. 30 minute is pushing down. This is 30. That's right. This is our support resistance and this is our support on 30 minutes. If we close below this, we have a clean range to go down almost 100 pips. And if we close above, we have 97 pips of this wick fill. If we see on 15 minute, we are in consolidation. If we keep our resistance over here, we have okay, yeah, we'll have this clean range before going into some sort of trade. Yeah, we are in a support. If we will see the market, if it closes below this line, then we will be very happy to take a sell. And I think so. We will go for sells because the market is on a resistance, very strong resistance. First market came to this level and it pushed all the way till here, and now it came back. Okay, if we are in a if we are in an uptrend, we might take we might see a high from here, and yeah, we will look for the bias. If we see it was creating low high, so yeah, so I think so. We will go up, but right now we are in consolidation form since how many we were here. It was 12 p.m. Okay. Yeah, so it's 12 and it is 4 p.m. here. Let's see what the market is going to give us. We will wait for our market to close. We'll see whether the candle, how many pips are there. If we see a candle closes here, we have almost 100 pips, 118, 120 pips. That's usually what we look for. And let's see what market's gonna give us today. If market is and every day come here and I have an issue with my hairs. I don't know what the hell is wrong with my hair. I have to fix my hair every time. So yeah, if okay, yeah, that wasn't expected. If the market closes like this, yeah, we will go down. I think so. Yeah, like I said, we'll go down. If the market closes like this, we have a clean range of 130 pips, 110 pips. Yeah, well, these are the last 9 minutes of the candle, and how many minutes are there left? Let's see, 4 hour, just 8 minutes for the 4 hour candle to close, and the 4 hour candle is rejecting very big. And if we see this rejection, that means we are possibly going down. If this candle in 8 minutes turns into red, that means we are rejecting and we are creating some sort of resistance on this level, because if we close below this, we are likely to go down. Yeah, 1 hour is going down, 30 minute is going down, 15 minute is already going down. So we have all of our confirmations for to go for a sell. Yeah, we will wait. We will wait, and let's see what the market's gonna do. If the market turns red for, yeah, we don't know yet how many pips are there. Yes, yeah, yeah. So we don't know yet. We will wait for our setup to form, and if this 4 hour candle, like I can see that if this 4 hour candle turns red, oh, it is a very big rejection from the top. You see, this is a very big rejection of 4 hour. We went all the way up, and now we're pushing back down. So I I don't know. I think so. We'll go down, but 4 hour. Yeah, you see, this is 4 hour, and yeah, this is 4 hour. This is 1 hour. 1 hour is going down. This 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute is going down. If we break below this resistance, something like that, and we will be, and the next candle prints give us some rejection and retraces a bit and then starts going down, we will be happy to take a sell for 78 pips. That's not bad if it doesn't go much further down, and if it takes this down from here till here, we have 1800, 185 pips. Yeah, so yeah, I like I said, we 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 need better confirmations over here. Yeah, this is something. This is something I would like to see in. Yeah. So yeah, we are looking for. Yeah, if it doesn't. Oh, this is very extended. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. I personally I wanted it to retrace back a bit. Yeah, fuck you. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to say that. Okay. We are waiting, and I think so. The wait is almost. Yeah, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good, man. If it would have been, if it would, I would wanted to close something like this, and then I would go for this 100 pips. But at the moment, I don't think so. This is This is a good thing. I and I if it goes back a bit, I will be very happy to take a sell. So these are the last 4 minutes for the 4 hour candle to close, and I think so. Okay, I don't think so anything. Yeah, this is going down. Okay, it is going further more down than it should, which is not good, man. This is completely against what I thought. I would have I wanted to take this. I want to take this. It's okay. It's okay. I don't have water today. I need water a lot. I don't know. I must have forgot the bottle. Okay, forget it. Uh, this is bad. I didn't want this to happen like this, but uh, I don't know. I don't know what to do, man. Okay, it is way more extended than I wanted it to be. Oh, man. Yeah, just because this 4 hour need to turn red, you don't need to go that much down. Last stream. Oh, last stream. Oh my God. Oh, damn, man. Oh, very bad. Very, very bad. Why would you even do that, man? Very bad, very bad. Very, very bad. I didn't want it to happen like this. Very, very frustrating. Now the 4 hour is about to start in 3 minutes. If the scandal, okay, I don't like you, Kendall. Yeah, it should go back. It should go a little back. Yeah, I think so. It is going down. I don't know. The volume is there. The market is going down without our confirmation. 80 pips already gone. That's what I was expecting it to get, but they're already gone from it. I didn't like it like that. I wanted it more. I wanted it. I want to catch this move, and without candle closure, I can't risk it. I can't risk it at all. Bad, 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 bad. And my plan was to get this move. After the cannon closed over here, I would like to get this move, but market didn't give me any chance. Ah, man, no hard feelings. You're coming down from very strong support. No hard feelings. You're coming back from a very strong resistance, I would say. Yeah, not support. Sorry, my bad. Okay, okay. Okay, so when we are having a 4 hour candle like this, which is giving us a very big rejection wick, and we're about to close in 1 minute. That means we are going down because we're coming down from a very strong resistance over here, and we're gonna go down, and we're gonna go down till here, from here till here. Yeah, 45. Yeah, I can't take it. Okay, you see? Man, it's 4 a.m. 9 a.m. in how many years? This isn't good, man. This isn't good. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, if it starts going up, I don't care, man. I don't care because you already messed up with me badly. Yeah, I don't wanted this to happen. I wanted to catch that move, but it's gone. It's gone all the way. I think so it's gonna go down, but I can't do anything. 0.30. Bad. Rejection. 4 hour. It's a high volume, very high risk trade. I want a candle closure below this. I can't I can't force my rules to obey what I wanted to. But it is what it is. So you need some sort of confirmation. I had the confirmation. I knew what's gonna happen. But um that's not the case at the moment because I can't risk. I have this strong support over here. I want this support to be broken. Only and only then I can. It is what it is. No, it's no more. It's no more the resistance the support I was looking for. Now this is the support, uh, which is I don't know what to do now. Hello, hi. Due to yeah, because we can't risk it because we need this support to be broken then and only then we can go for down. And I think so we're gonna have that. Now we are forming a 4 hour, and if we have something below this, we have a very clean range for this. Yeah, we can have a very good sell for 1800, 180 pips. This is something really nice. I want this support to be broken. Only then I would like to go for. Have to wait to break. Yeah, 4189. Yes. Yeah, 4189. We need to break this support the market. If this market breaks this support over here, then we will look for sells because 4 hour just turned red with a big rejection wick. So we will wait. This is our level for any kind of you know support. Only then we will look for sells. It's bad, man. I wanted this move. I want to take this move. I could have taken this move and I would have made, oh wow, I would have made 120 pips out of these. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. I know. I waited very long for this move to take, but I just skip this move. Oh, it's going down. Yeah, I hope it just stays how I want it to be. If it closes something like here, then I would be very happy. It would go down to, even if I get 100 pips out of these, I will be. Let's see what gold does over here. Yeah, it's a strong support, because from this level the market came here and it rejected and went up there. Then market came back, come here, and it went back all the way to up here. How many pips were these? They were 240 pips. Yeah, it's going down. Last, yeah, half. Yeah, it is going down. We know that it's gonna go down, but we will wait for our setup to form. Without our confirmation, we're not gonna go into any trade, any sort of trade. We have to wait. Yeah, I want this. I don't want this as extended as the last one. I just want this to be like something till here, so that I can go for, because that's one I can have a very safe SL as well, back in the range and everything. I want this candle to print something like this, or something like this, man. But damn, forget it. Oh, but it didn't retest the other. Yeah, yeah, that's what I was looking. It didn't retest it at all. Yeah. And the 30-minute was not there for the confirmation as well. Now we're going down for 4 hour, and I think so we will go down, because it's a very strong resistance over here, and we did tapped in this resistance as well. Yeah, yeah. Last 6 minutes for this red candle to form, and I hope this candle forms with a little wick and a good body candle, not extended as we wish it to be, and then the next candle retraces, and then we're gonna take a sell. That is the that is the agenda. That's the strategy of today, and that is, I hope, we're gonna look for. Very, very, I mean, last 15 before candle, current candle. This one, yeah, it did not retest it a lot, but you know, when you know the volume is coming, uh, and then you don't want much, you don't need to have a big retracement. You can just go with a little, because these days the the wicks are not that big, and it starts going back in their direction. And yeah, we will look for this support level. And the trade I took in the morning session, let me show you what trade I took in the morning session in Asia, yeah. Even though it didn't have a lower wick, yeah, still I managed to get something out of that. It started to go up as the new candle started and retraced back, and I knew when it broke the low, of the current candle, it will push for something. I did push for something, and I closed it early. I closed partials and I did break even, so I managed to get something out of it. So that's why when you know there isn't much gonna happen as you want it to, then you if you find an opportunity, you get in, you get out with s- with snap, because this was the resistance over here, something. So it went down and broke the support. Sorry, I missed with the support and resistance every time. So yeah, so this was a support over here. It broke down. It was good, clean range to go down. Yeah, but when you have this big candle and no lower wig, that means there's a lot of volume, and it starts to go up when it started and it went down and I booked what I wanted. You see, that's why we want this candle to go and and close below. That's the only thing we want. Yeah, yeah. This is very, very interesting. And when you know the market is having some volume, like Asia is good these days, London is not that good these days. So you don't expect much from London. So that's why I don't come live on Asian session. I just do a bit of trade when I wake up in the morning, and I see what the market is doing now. So yeah, see, the market isn't going down. It's just running here and there. Yeah, it's what we wanted to happen. It's something happening every day. You just need to be there to catch the move. And yeah, let's see what market's gonna do. Last three. Oh yeah, last minute. You see, the candle is rejecting from here. You see, that's why we need the confirmation. We need the candle to close below. If the candle is not gonna close below, we're not gonna risk anything, because we are the market waiters. Yeah, we can call ourselves the waiting masters. We have to wait for the candle to act upon as we want it to. And the person I learned from, Dan, he's also live, and I like that man. He's so good. He's If he would have been a teacher in any other subject, he would have been a master. Like the way he teaches, the way he tells, the way he explains everything. He's goat. You see, this is a very bad thing. From this perspective, if it goes down and if it does not break the high and it goes down, and I don't think so that's gonna happen. I think so it's gonna go up. 'Cause it's coming from the rejection, support rejection. If it doesn't break, the low and it breaks the high, that means the market's gonna go up, and we're gonna have a 30-minute over here. Yeah, this is in the beginning. Yeah, yeah. You need to, you need to look you need to look at the candles, and candles are telling you a story. Very, 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 very. So, and this is really good because we have a support here. If this candle goes back, and this will be very good. Just so it didn't break the high of the previous candle, and if it breaks the low of this candle, that means we can look for a candle forming in a way we want it to. Yeah, yeah. I just texted in. I just texted Dan in his live that I'm live to, and he just said thumbs up. I like him. I really like him. Thank you so much, man. It feels it feels really good when he talks about anything. Yeah, I'm having the same level as the Dan is having. If it breaks the high up in the sky, you know how I feel. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good, pretty. Yeah, you see if the market breaks a high, yeah, we will see a bullish 30-minute candle because these are last few minutes of this 30-minute to close. And it's coming from this rejection of this support. So that's why we're pushing up. And if we push up and if we create a bullish candle over here and then the next candle, that's what I do secretly. I don't tell anyone. But if this candle 30-minute candle prints like this and the next candle retraces and breaks the high of this current candle, I will be going for buys for this 100 pips. You know this because it's coming directly from this rejection of the support. But it is not breaking the high of the previous candle. So it's up to let's see what the market is doing. But I think so. The current candle is not breaking the high of the previous candle. I mean it is going down now or after a few minutes. I don't know if it does not. Okay, show us what you got. Got you. Learning. I'm just having the same as Daniel. I know you came from Daniel's stream because I just checked it over there. Yeah. Was the last spy due to loss large institute play or real volume in the market? It's yeah because it's the time. It's because of the time and yeah, it is not breaking the high of the previous candle. It is going down. So if it breaks down of this and it goes down all the way and break down, it is really nice. It is it is really good. That's what we want. You see, it did not broke the high of the previous previous candle. Now it is going down and it will break the low. I hope so. And that will be a very good sell for us to get. Now the volume is there, the time is high. Yeah, it's the 9:30 is gonna come. Yeah, yeah, that's what we wanted to happen. And yeah, it's good because we created a rejection over here as well. We are having a resistance over there, Elvis now. So if it does what we want it to do, it's better because it's not all the way one color like Dan says. It's really nice. It's really nice. It is really nice. It is what we wanted to do. What market? It's what we want the market to do because that's our goal to take even at least 101. Yeah, 101, 101, 101, 101. That's what we need. 101. But you see the market's jumping around here and there, so we'll see what the market is bringing us on the table. So we are not gonna, yeah, learning just didn't learn anything and he just went back. It's okay, man. Come back again. Have a good day. 30 minute, 15 minute. Yeah. And I think so it's gonna go down because it's rejecting and it's rejecting. 4 hour, the last 4 hour candle created a very high rejection wick, and now we broke the low. That means we are gonna go down, but we are going to take the trade after we get our confirmation. Yeah, the last. Okay, see, last 4 hour was bearish. One. Last 1 hour was bearish. Two. Last 30 minute was bearish. Three. Last 15 minute was last 15 minute was bullish. It is creating a resistance over here. You don't know that. You see? We want this resistance, and this is much better than having just one color going down. Yeah, yeah, NYFC is about to open, and we have 7 minutes to go. Let's see what we are having this Monday. Monday Night Raw. If you like to see um WWE, you would have remembered WWE Monday Night Raw. Yeah, that's I used to see. I used to watch when I was very young. I was a kid. My uncle used to see, and we used to see it with him, and it was really nice. I don't watch that anymore, but that's all. That's all. All. That's all. But that's all what I do. Yeah. You see. Yeah. This is what we want. This is what we need. This is what we really like it to happen. This is what we wanted. Yeah, it's going down. It is really nice. Last 5 minutes, I don't, I just wanted to close something like this with a little wick, and I'll be very happy because the NYSE is about to open, and we'll be having a very, very strong volume in the market. It's Monday, the first day after the weekend, and it is going to be very volatile. This trade is going to be very risky. Yeah, it broke the low of the previous candle, which is good, but I wanted to close something like here, and then we'll go for and then we'll go for a sell. And eventually I think so we're gonna go down because the 30-minute was very big and the 4 hour just turned red. What a crazy day. Oh my days. You see, this is what market does every day. You just need to wait and you just want the market to do exactly what you want. It is good. Very good, very good. Mm. Yeah, that's what we wanted. And we just wanted last 2 minutes for the candle to close. If the candle closes like this, we wanted to have a retrace, and then we're gonna go for a sell. Shoo-hoo, shoo-hoo. Bad. Wow. Okay. Don't be extended, man. Have a little big. Yeah, go back. Go back. Just 1 minute. It's good. We wanted to close it over here. Lost 38 seconds for our trade. Don't go down. Don't go further down. You should go back up around somewhere over here. Ah, yeah. Let's get it. Don't go down. You stupid rabbit. Just get it. Yeah, that is good. That is good. Yeah, we want the candle to retrace a bit. And then yeah. I want the candle to retrace a bit. I can't just jump into a trade that I don't look at. Yeah, I wanted to go back. I wanted it to go back. I can't do it like this. Yeah, that's I don't want this to go down right now. I just want it to go up, even though the 1 minute is past. Just go. I want it to go up. This is something I would really want it to go up, retest a bit, and without that retest, I can't go for sells. How many pips? 70. Yeah, nothing we can do. We just wait for our candle to retrace a bit more because because this is not what we want. Okay, it starts going down. We can't we can't just jump in the trade. We don't want this to happen. I wanted a better retest until at least at this point. How many pips? 30 at least 30 pips, which was meant to happen, but it did not retrace back, and I can't trust it anymore. I can't trust it anymore. And yeah, I'm still looking for sells because if it creates, yeah, it is good clean range for sells, but I want this. Yeah, you see, that's why I didn't took a sell. I want to have a bigger retracement rather than just having random retraces. I can't. I can't jump in a trade. I can't. You see, that's why I was not interested in to go for selves without having a better retracement. This isn't good. This isn't good. I can't. I see. You see, this was the retracement I wanted it that time, but now it is rejecting. It is rejected. It is rejected. If it breaks the high of, if it break above this, uh, uh, see, that's why I didn't took a trade. I cannot risk that much. That is why if I would have taken the trade, I would have hit my stop loss, and I don't want that because we have this resistance. If it break above this resistance, yeah, yeah. It is very, very important to see whether your setup is happening or not. You see, this is the thing I was expecting the market if it doesn't make it a higher spike before it goes down. So it did not went down before, then it started go down. It didn't go down. It just starts going up, and I don't like it now. This is how quick we change our our bias. Sometimes it makes me so laugh so hard that our RRR is this 30. Oh yeah, as you see, even though the 30-minute closed below, we went down. I don't know, man. I didn't take this breakout because I wanted it a bit. I wanted it a bigger retracement rather than having just one, like 10 pips something. Yeah, I don't wanted it to have 10 pips retracement because the volume is very high. That's why the time is very high. It would go down, and I knew that it would go up. So you wait. That's what. Yeah, you see, I want. You see, this is what happening. I wanted to close like this, and then I'll be. If we break above this, then it would be engulfing for 30 minutes. And if it's engulfing for 30 minutes, we are most probably going up. Let's see. Yeah, that is. Yeah. So last 4 minutes, we're not gonna go for sell. We're not gonna go do anything. And it's 30 minutes. If it closes like engulfing 30 minutes, then we are likely to go up because we created a support on 30 minutes. 30-minute support means shoo. You see another thing? You would have noticed that this 30-minute candle was very big. The next 30-minute candle should have been the same size or bigger than that. That's what confirms us the sellers are still in control. If it's not like this one, this 30-minute, this 15-minute was very good, and then a big candle than this one. We knew that the candle is going down, but we want this candle to really support. Yeah, we are 3 minutes up, 3 minutes down for this candle to close. We want this to be just like it. Yeah. If this blue candle, this green candle prints like this, and the next candle prints like that, last 2 minutes for 15 minutes to close. You see now it's breaking the high of its own. That means it's gonna go up. And if it closes up, then we are probably gonna have this. Very bad. If somebody would have taken the sell after the little rejection, if we break and close above this, we have 100 pips to go, and if we even take, yeah, nothing. Markets doing nothing. Probably, yeah. We closed the 15-minute and we closed it like this. Yeah, yeah. It is retracing a bit. You see, that's what I said. If this candle creates a blue or green candle, and then the next candle prints like this, so we'll have a engulfing candle. Yeah, we are having an engulfing candle. So if engulfed like this, we are most probably going up. till this level. Yeah. All the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. That's what I was talking about. Yeah. If it's a fake out, that means the reversal of the fake out is gonna be big. So you can get in a trade after this. Yeah, always. Yeah, we are waiting. This is the buy zone. This is the sell zone. Nothing much happening. I didn't took a trade because I knew it's not gonna. uh, I just want the goal to stay here. Don't go ahead. Fuck. What the line does. That's what the market is doing. Bad, bad, man. Why the hell are you doing this, stupid gold? Stupid, stupid. You see? We still have 14 minutes to get, and the market is just blasting out, man. You don't do this. Well, 30-minute engulfing, very bad. It's not should it should not go up above the 1 hour. Is bullish now. What hour is bullish now? I don't care about bullish. What hour? 1 hour. 1 day is going up. This is bad, man. This is not what we wanted to do. This is not what we wanted. This is not what we wanted. This is not what we wanted. Wow. Wow, gold. Wow. Wow. You just gave out one freaking 50 pips already. After people would have, you know how many pips after this? 100 pips already. Ready, steady, I-O. Iowa. Man, I love you. Nice to see you here. I know you would come. I know you would come. Well, this is something really bad. I didn't want it to happen it like this, but it just uh, the gold just failed us for both on the sub for on both sides for sells and buys also because it just didn't give us any chance to take a trade without we getting any confirmation. So bad. Although we had a 4 hour candle, bad, 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 bad guy. I'm good, man. I'm good. How are you? Not long time no see, bro. Where have you been? Where have you been? Long time, long time. You haven't been here for a very long time. Yeah. If the candle closes somewhere here, I have this wick. I'll be going for buys. Other than that, no, 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 no. Very bad. Very freaking bad. The gold did not give us any chance. 30 minute is very, very, very extended that I want it to be. Uh, no gold. Gold is not golding today, you know? This is something shameful. I just came all the way to the church and did my analysis and it sat for 1 hours now. Nothing. And it happens. It happens most of the time. You just need to wait and you need to see what the candles are printing for you. Yeah. Baby. Baby bad. It should close somewhere like here. Then we will look for buys. Before that, what are you doing, man? I'm missing you. I am missing you. That's what I'm doing right now. Nothing much more than that because the gold isn't giving us any opportunity. You see, this freaking gold over here is not giving us anything. So, yeah. Yeah, the gold is this is Asia. You see what Asia is doing? Every day you see Asia and it is whoo, rocket, 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 rocket. What are you doing, my man? My G? Yeah, we're not gonna look for buys anymore because this 30 minute is way more extended. If it closes somewhere over here, then I would have taken a buy. But you see, this gold is not giving us what we want. What are you doing? What the hell are you doing? I am waiting. I am waiting for you, my love. Any trade today? I did took a trade. I did took a trade. I took a trade in the morning. Let me show you. Let me show you what trade did I took. I took a trade. 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 Okay, yeah. Let me show you what trade did I took. I had this March level of resist support. It broke the support and I took and I closed here. Let me show you. Let me see. I started over here and closed here. And I closed partials and then break even. That's it. That's what I did. Bruh. I did. I did. I did. They bad. I thought the New York's gonna give us something, but New York's did not give us any freaking thing. Yeah, man. I wish I would have taken any trade today in the New York because the New York does have some volume, but you know this whole this whole to 60 pips range is consolidating. Consolidating, my man, consolidating. If it's engulfing this whole level of previous, oh, damn. Um, this 30-minute is engulfing the previous 1 hour. Can you imagine? You see? I can't trust this setup anymore because last 3 minutes, last three freaking minutes, I can't. I can't do anything. I can't do anything about this trade because I wanted to, I wanted the candle to close somewhere over here and then I would look for buy, then it would go for 100 pips. But now it's way more extended than I want it to be. It's way more extended. So I can't take a trade. So you left, yeah, it is what it is. 3 minutes, can't can't do anything. If it rejected this much, that means rejection. Very bad. Very, very, very bad. Yeah, it is rejected. Oh, oh, last 2 minutes. That means, that means I can look for a buy if it closes somewhere over here. Last 2 minutes. Yeah, last minute. Hmm. Very bad. We are in consolidation. I think it's gonna create another green or gonna create a support over here as well and then go push up. I don't know because the time is high. It's 10 a.m. and we created 1 hour bullish. We have 30-minute bullish. We have 15-minute bullish. We have 4 hour bullish. We don't know, man. I don't know. I can take a buy over here for a little scalp for this wick fill, which is 53 pips, and I have a loss of 54 pips, 53 pips. Stop loss of 53, 1 to 1. But this isn't a good time to take a trade at the moment. Ca- So I think so. It's a bad thing. The gold is not giving us what we want. So I prefer it to be like it. And if I wait, you see it's pushing down now, and I don't. It's consolidating, and you know whenever it's consolidating this much, that means a big move's about to come. And you know what? We didn't saw Forex Factory today. Yeah. Let's see what the Forex Factory is doing. Doink, doink. Yeah, let's see what the heck. Forex Factory. Yeah. Speech by Christine Lagarde, president of the ECB at the Hangover here. We have Canadian dollars, CPI. Okay, I have 338. Okay, now it's very far. There's nothing special today. Now, nothing with the gold as well. Tomorrow we don't have another no red candle folder day. 23, 24th of June we have Asian CPI of Australian dollars and nothing the whole day. 25 core PC price index. Okay, final GDP. Okay, final GDP. They're having in 330. Okay, so that's what we are having on 25th of June. So that's it. On Friday. So this week doesn't have much red folder news, and yeah, yeah. That's why I was not interested in the buy over here. It was the buy was not uh, the one I wanted it to. In the beginning, yeah, very far from the reach of ours. Gold is not to do with today. Well, What can we do? We have nothing to do. Do. How many pips are for the stop loss? 66. We'll go 75 pips, okay? I don't know, man. Not waiting for certain gold anymore today. So I would just jump off. Nothing much to do. Me? Nothing. Seeing in her man.
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
It is gonna push up. But I can't rest as much. It is way more than I wanted to. Broke the high of the previous 30 minutes. Can't look for anything. Well, I guess we created a support over here and now we broke above. Very bad. I could have taken a straight, but I was not. I was not in the mood because we broke above the support resistance over here, and now we are pushing up high. 100 pips already in 2 minutes. If we had taken a straight, we would have won. But we might have thought the loss. Oh, this is a very big rejection area of resistance. So don't push him. Just relax and watch. If you really need to see something, he is concentrating. Thanks, man. Thanks. Obey that. So we're not gonna go for any sort of trade over here. I could have taken this trade and this trade would have given me 100 pips that I needed. But I don't want the loss. This was 661. Wow. Very bad. Yeah, you That's why I didn't took any trade. You see, you went from my stream and you just had a stop loss. We did not took any trade. We waited because the setup was not right. It was, you know, it was a good breakout, but the the next candle did not act it as I wanted because it went down before making a retrace. It just retraced a little one. Then I was not sure, and I was not going to take a trade. That's why I didn't take a trade over here as well. Because you need an A plus setup to take the profit you want. If you force a trade, you might not get the profit you want, but you will get the loss you don't want. Remember that quote. That have taught me very much things, a lot of things in trading. If you force a trade on yourself based on your what do you call it? Uh, instincts. You need to be because the time was very high. The volume was there. It should have gone back and retraced a bit more than it did. And then after retracing and returning back to the red, then I would have taken, but I did not because the setter was not there. Now we are in a support resistance. It rejected this. It rejected it from here. A very strong rejection. So if somebody would have taken one on one from over here, 964, 1.5, 1 to 1.5 restore word would have been taken. I don't like shorting lows. They say buy low, short high bros, Gary, don't break out stuff. No, no, no. I shorted the top, bro. This five. You shorted? Where did you shot? You shot here? Where did you shot? Those on 5 minute? You did what? You did on 5 minute? Oh, you shot here? I don't know. Did you short it over here after this engulfing candle? I don't know. Strange. Ah, so you don't do breakouts. Huh? Okay. That's bro, that's okay if you didn't win a trade. You're talking about this one. I don't know, man. What you're talking about this? You shorted here? Did you short it here? Yeah. If you short it here, let me know. This. Third candle from the last. This is the third candle, man. Or if you get it. Nothing. We're having nothing in the market right now because we are in consolidation. You see? Let me draw something for you. Here, then here, then here, here, then here. Now here, and eventually now it now broke the high of it. Okay, so very bad. 30-minute rejected very big wick, and we're coming down from a resistance over here. And if we have engulfing candle over here, a 15-minute, I will be very happy for taking a sell from here. But the moment candle start, it just take out the whole move I want in 15 minutes, and then I have to. We have range. Go love me some range, bro. You won't go back to break out. So you're in the trade and you wanted to go back in the range. That's good, man. It is coming back in the range. Did you short it from here? Oh, I don't know where you short, but forget it. If you're in the profit, that's good. If you're not, hope you get in the profit. Yeah, I think so. You're getting in the profits what you need now because we're going back in the range, and I think so. We're back on the track. Yeah, the 30-minute is coming back from a resistance, which is makes it the 1 hour coming back from the resistance. 4 hour is coming back from the resistance, and uh, what I think so now is we are, and if we flip red now in 4 hour, yeah, you know how many pips we have if we have 30-minute over here, 15 minutes. Okay, we are still gonna have our support down here. If we close below the support, I am looking for sells again from this because it would have taken people would have taken sell from here and they stopped out. People would have taken buy from here and they stopped out. So we will wait, and we'll see our best thing to happen, and then we're gonna take a trade. Without that, we're not gonna take a trade. Yeah, it is something very unusual. That's when you don't break your rules. Rules And what people say, rules are meant to be broken. No, man, rules are not meant to be broken. When you wait for engulfing candle, it's already too late. You missed big chunk of the move, bro. Learn to find ranges. Get in shortest high of the range. Ah, you're right. You're right. I like what you do, but I like what I do as well, and I'm good at it. Thank you. I'll I'll learn what you're saying. Take a little oxygen. On on 1 hour we're consolidating. We on 30 minute we are consolidating, and 4 hour. I don't know. Yeah, we're going down. We're going down, down, down. Right, if you're in profit, keep up what you're doing. If you're not in profit, still keep up. You'll get in profit. Just keep up. How's your ration in this start ratio? I'm not going to go below 15, man. Before the candle closes, you can't go there. This is what the gold is. I don't know. Yeah, it is going down. If somebody would have taken a buy from here to go all the way up to here, they would have been stopped up here. If you have done 101, 63, 64. Even if you have room for breathing, 83, 85, 90 pips, you still have 100 pips. So 101 would have been caught ratio. Everything is 101. 1-to-1 ratio is the best. Is in the beginning.
in the beginning, in the beginning,
Wait, 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 wait. What the hell? Get up, get up. Get up.
Damn, my mic was off and I don't know. Oh my god. For how long my mic was off, I don't know. Wow, such a fool. I think it's better now. There are two current viewers and you didn't tell me that my mic is off? What the hell, man? What are you watching then? Yeah, I want this candle to print something like this. Um, and then have. Okay, okay. Well, 30 minute. 30 minute. If this candle prints big than the previous 30 minute, how many pips are there? 78. And if it created something, yeah, it would be a perfecto. Perfecto. Last 9 minutes for this candle to close, and we will see what we are gonna do with this. Yeah, how amazing! I didn't knew that my mic was off, and I just saw it and like, oh, sorry, man. You could have told me before. Last 8 minutes. Wow. It is what it is. It is what it is. Last we like why the hell am I counting these minutes? Let it happen. I'm not trying to eat anything bad. That's why I'm starving right now. I have almonds to eat. Almonds to eat. I guess I have almonds to eat. Where are those almonds? Let me bring my almonds. Let me turn on my mic again because last time I forgot I closed my mic. This time I'm not gonna be quiet for long. It is going up again. Wow. I don't want to eat anything or something. Let's see what happens. Let's see what the market is gonna give us. If it breaks the low and closes down, and now I'll be very happy to take a sell over here. Would be more than 100 pips. Yeah, it's the last 5 minutes of this candle to close. Very bad. I'm eating these kind of almonds. You know, you have to peel them off, you have to crack them and open it. You could just do it with your own hand. You see, I just do it with my hand, one hand. Right, I'm eating these almonds. I like these almonds. And you crack them, and you get the seed out of them, and you eat them like this. It's pretty good. And you throw away the shell.
In the beginning.
Last 3 minutes. And if this candle doesn't give us anything, we'll call it for the day. It's like cracking up the pistachio. It is that soft. You don't need a hard hand to open it. You can get it easily. Nothing much happening, man. It's been more than it's 3 minutes for the 2 hours for me to sit in. How amazing is that? You keep sitting for 2 hours and you don't get any sort of breakout or readers or something like that, and you go home without taking a trade, and that's what makes you profitable. You don't take every freaking trade uh, to having that in mind that it's gonna make you rich. No, nothing's gonna make you rich. Your self control is gonna make you rich. Wow, what a what a bad market it is. So hope to see you tomorrow again. It was a very good day. We didn't took any trade, and that's what we have today. Yeah, doji candle. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. It was a good day. We had our thing. We we did what we could. So see you tomorrow. We are consolidating. If we break above here, if we break below here, we will look for trade. But right now, I will be cutting off. Thank you so much for joining in. Everyone who came, everyone who commented, everything. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dan. You mentioned me again. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Take care.